Hello, everybody. It's Mrs. Pound. We're starting a new chapter today, chapter 7.1 on the ecological landscape from Purposeful Designs Life Science. The first section we're going to talk about is section 7.1.1 on organisms. Our objectives today will be to explain the nature of an organism's habitat and describe the needs that a habitat should meet for an organism. So, an organism's habitat is the place where an organism lives and where all of its needs are met. So, everything that an organism needs, it must obtain from its habitat, whether that be food, oxygen, whatever it needs, water must be provided by the habitat. So the needs a habitat must meet for an organism include an acceptable climate. Some organisms need different climates. So, this climate here at a beach is perfect for these palm trees and other organisms that live there, but would not be so perfect for other things. So, different climates have different organisms. Enough space. There must be enough space for the organisms to survive. Here in this pretty crowded, but if there is space, can survive in that habitat. A good supply of food and water. So whatever the organism requires for food and its water needs must be supplied by its habitat. And again, some organisms can survive in a desert because they have different food and water needs. Some must be in, say, an ocean where there's a lot more water. So it depends upon the organism and its needs. And there is also a preferred habitat. Organisms can live in different places, but the preferred habitat is the place where an organism has an advantage over other organisms. So these penguins here, you see them in their habitat. This is probably their preferred habitat. It's a good habitat for them, but they would not survive well other places. They can be in a zoo, say up by us. I've seen them in our zoo, but that's not their preferred habitat. Their preferred habitat is, say, in Antarctica. So our objectives today were to explain the nature of an organism's habitat and describe the needs that a habitat should meet for an organism. Now, don't forget your 5 questions in the margin and keep watching to answer the questions at the end of this video.